Okay, it's integrals part 3. I did 2 parts before, and there is some requests to do some more. Let's do integral of cosine squared dx. First, integral of cosine squared dx. Before we start, I should linearize this formula. How to linearize this formula? What's the meaning of linearize it? Make it to power 1. It's power 2. It's hard to do. We make it power 1. How? It's a rule. Cosine square x is a rule. We can directly write it, but I will not say it. I will tell you how we do it first. Cosine A plus B is equal to cosine A cosine B minus sine A sine B, right? Sine A sine B. Okay, this means cosine A plus A, which is cosine 2A, right? Cosine A plus A is equal cosine A again minus sine A again, because we don't have B, we have A. This means cosine 2A simply is equal to cosine square A, and that's what I need, minus sine square A. And what is sine square A equals to? Cosine 2A is equal to cosine square A minus sine square A is 1 minus cosine square A, right? Why is that? Because we know that cosine square A plus sine square A is equal to 1. This means that cosine square A, or sorry, sine square A, I want to replace, sine square A is equal to 1 minus cosine square A. That's great. So it's equal, cosine 2A is equal to cosine square A minus 1 plus cosine square A. That means cosine 2A is equal to 2 cosine square A minus 1. We need to linearize cosine square A. So 2 cosine square A, can we write it as cosine 2A, right? Cosine 2A minus 1 goes to the other side. It will be plus 1, and cosine square A will be equal to 1 plus cosine 2A, or cosine 2A plus 1 divided by 2. So this is the formula. If you don't memorize it, you can't use it except if you analyze it like I did right now. So instead of cosine square A, I do what? 1 over 2 into 1 plus cosine 2A. Easier to write it like that. I took the half outside. That's nice. Now it's nothing. We can directly solve it. It's half integral of 1 dx plus again half integral of cosine 2x. It's not 2a, huh? It's 2x. Also dx, don't forget that. Which is equal half. What is integral of dx? It's x plus half. What is integral of cosine 2x? It's cosine ax or kx, right? It's first, it's minus half again, this half already I put it, and the second half, it's 1 over k, 1 of this constant, times sine 2x. Derivative of sine is cosine directly, so this will be plus, not minus, I'm sorry. Okay, so plus c, okay, plus c, plus constant. So the final answer will be x divided by 2 plus sine 2x divided by 4 plus c. And that's it. Let's do another one on this video. Let me do this one. It's integral of 2z power 3 radical times radical z power 4 plus 1 dz. That's nice. This is substitution method, right? This is substitution method. Make it simple. To make it simpler, let u equal, we take this one inside as u. So instead of working with radical z power 4 plus 1, we work with radical u. Let u equal z power 4 plus 1. Let's derive du. So it's d of z power 4 plus 1. Simply, du is equal, what is the derivative of z power 4? It's 4 z to the power 3 times dz. Derivative of 1 is equal to 0, right? What do we need here? We need 2z cubed dz. So what is 2z cubed dz? Let's divide by 2 both sides to get du over 2 equal to z power 3 dz, because that's what I want, right? 2z cube dz is equal to du divided by 2. This means it's integral, right? Radical. What is that? It's u. I found it here, or I supposed that here, times directly du divided by 2. Since it's constant, let me take the half, which is divided by 2 outside. Now, oops, now what we have to do? What we have to do is, that is equal, right? That is equal to half integral u power half change to fractional exponent du as x power half dx, or x power n dx, right? So it's equal to half u to the power half plus 1 over half plus 1, right? This is the formula. Plus constant, don't forget to put plus c. To simplify more, it's 1 over 2, right? U to the power, what is half plus 1? It's 3 divided by 2 over 3 divided by 2 plus c. And the final answer will be, what is u power 3 over 2? It's square root of u power 3, right? And this 2 with this 2 cancel, right? It's 2 times 3 over 2. Or we multiply the 2 up here, 2 over 2. What left is over 3 plus c. And the final answer, if you want, it's u radical u over 3 plus c. But don't forget, I almost did, we have to change it. The integral is equal to u. We supposed u to be z power 4 plus 1. So we change it again to z power 4 plus 1 radical z power 4 plus 1 divided by 3 plus this constant c. And that's it. We still have time to do some more. Let me do this one. If the integral is, if we want to integrate this one, minus 1 over 2x plus 1 to the power 4, it's dx, right? Same. This one will be maybe hard. I can do it in many ways, but it might be a little bit hard to do for students. So change it to u is the easiest way. So we say let u equal this, for example, the inside one. Don't forget, you don't take the power with it, okay? Just the insider one, all right? U power 4 we will have, right? This is u, okay? Directly we derive it. Du is equal to d of 2x plus 1. So du is equal, what is the derivative of 2x? It's 2 dx, right? 2 dx. So we need to have 1 dx, right? So, or minus 1 dx. It's constant number, we can take it outside. So what is dx? Dx is equal simply du divided by 2. So how can we continue from here? The minus is minus. Integral, what is dx? Dx is du divided by 2. So the half is outside and u is over here. What is this? This we considered as u to the power 4. So the answer will be minus half integral u power minus 4 du. So it's equal to minus half u to the power minus 4 plus 1 over minus 4 plus 1 plus constant number, which is equal to minus half multiplied with u to the power minus 3 over minus 3 plus constant. So it will be equal to minus times minus plus 1 over 6. Why 1? Because this u power minus 3 has to be down in the denominator, and we change it from negative exponent to positive exponent. And then again, I will take u equal to x plus 1 substituted here. 6 into 2x plus 1 to the power 3 plus this constant c. It's done. One more minute for this video. Okay, we'll continue the others in the other video.